In this video, I'll show you how to install RLCraft and rlcraftdregora with Parasited, the DragonForge, and Dragonsteel. This is a CurseForge installation guide, and Parasited is an RLCraft spinoff led by one of RLCraft developers, Nischhelm. You can use the timestamps to jump to whatever you need. Credits to CDSDK, iQrie, Kamei, B, and the many other developers who have contributed to the project. 1. Open CurseForge. If you don't already have it, you can always download it from the link in the description. 2. Next, you'll need to download the Parasited pack from Github. The link is in the description. Once you're in the Github page, scroll down to Releases and open the latest release. Under Assets, you'll see several different downloads. For the main installation, you want the Parasited zip. If you only want the normal Parasited version, you can move on to step 4. However, if you want the DragonForge and Dragonsteel without the Parasited gameplay, you'll also need to download the file called Parasited Unparasited. There's also an HCC version. HCC stands for Hardcore Config, which makes Parasited even harder and is intended for hardcore gameplay, if you want a bigger challenge, that is. So make sure you download the version you actually want before moving on. Some of the newer versions do not include the configuration files because they are already part of the pack. If so, you can skip this step. 3. Import the pack into CurseForge. Now go back to CurseForge, select Minecraft, then click Import. Find the zip file you downloaded earlier and select it. Do not unzip the main pack zip itself. CurseForge needs the zip file to import the modpack properly. Once the import finishes, you should see the new RLCraft or rlcraftdregora profile in your Minecraft library. 4. Install the configuration file. If you downloaded the Parasited Unparasited configuration file, you'll need to install it now. Take the configuration file you downloaded in step 2 and place it inside the appropriate folder as seen on the screen. Then, right-click it and select Extract here. If Windows asks whether you want to overwrite or replace existing files, you choose Yes. 5. Launch the game. Finally, click Play and let CurseForge launch Minecraft. You should now have RLCraft or rlcraftdregora with Parasited, DragonForge, and Dragonsteel installed. If you ran into any problems during installation, check the links in the description for the GitHub and Discord, where you can find more information and get help. And if you want to see what Parasited is actually like, check out my Parasited livestream series here, or watch my RLCraft tips videos for more useful information. If this guide helped you out, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Ahí los guacho, vatos!